How to backup chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can backup chats on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to backup your chats on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your WhatsApp Messenger application here. Once you launch your WhatsApp Messenger app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is you need to come to the profile icon from the top right, go to the option called chats, scroll down, select chat backup, and then make sure to select a Google account where you want to backup your chats. And then after that you simply want to make sure to tap the backup option that you can find over here. So tap the allow option here. Once you've done that, tap the backup option. It will automatically back everything up to your Google account if you're using on Android, to your iCloud account if you're using on iOS. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.